Ziegler-Natta polymerization of ethylene, CH2CH2, very popular reaction. This method is developed by Ziegler and Natta in 1953 by using a metal catalyst. They prepared a polymer, and for their work, this work, they got Nobel Prize in 1963. So Nobel Prize in 1963 for this catalyst. So what is advantage of this Ziegler-Natta catalyst? We can control the stereochemistry of the polymer very easily. That means we have seen in previous video atactic, syndiotactic or isotactic stereoisomers. This stereochemistry of the polymers can be controlled by using this Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Another advantage is you can prepare long linear chain of polymers without significant branching. So if you prepared without branching, the polymer is rigid and tough. So that is another advantage of Ziegler-Natta polymerization. Now we are going to discuss how this polymerization reaction takes place. So first step is the formation of Ziegler-Natta catalyst, and that there are different types of catalysts available or used for the polymerization. I am discussing very basic catalyst by using this organoaluminium compound, diethyl aluminum chloride, and this titanium chloride. So what happens? This Cl, you can see here 4 Cl, one ethyl group is transferred from this compound to the titanium. Actually this complex is formed. So here Cl, 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 you need not to represent actually, that will save our time. So this titanium and carbon bond is formed. So this material is called Ziegler-Natta catalyst. There are 4 Cl attached on this Ti and one carbon Ti bond is formed by using this organoaluminium compound. Now see, this bond is there. Once this is formed, it is used in the second step. Now our monomer is going to join there. In first step, actually the second step, there is a formation of complex by using this pi bond. So this is attached to this titanium. Now see, next step means third step is insertion step. This monomer is inserted between the titanium and carbon of this ethylene. So that means there is a formation of carbon-carbon bond. Now see what happened. This may happen. This bond will join here, will form a coordinate bond, and this bond is, you have to join. You have to break this bond and join this to this carbon. So automatically you can insert this part in between this titanium and this carbon. So this portion, actually this portion is inserted here, likewise. So this step is repeated, means second step and third step is repeated. So next monomer will come and form a complex with this titanium, and then again this will form a bond with the titanium, and this bond will move, or this bond is now removed from this titanium and will go and join with this carbon to form a carbon-carbon bond. So automatically this portion will be inserted. So this portion will be inserted. So every time you can insert this ethylene moiety in the polymer, and in this way a chain growth occurs. So you have to repeat actually step number 2 and 3 to get a bigger polymer, bigger linear polymer, and in this way you can prepare polyethylene. So this is a polyethylene, a very big chain with less number of branching, because there is no formation of free radical intermediate. So free radical intermediate is not formed during this process, and because of this we get a linear polymer. This is high density polyethylene, HDPE. HDPE is a rigid polymer which is having different applications because of its toughness. So this is this Ziegler-Natta polymerization is used to manufacture HDPE by using this catalyst. Thank you.